We have an older Toyota SUV here. The owner was complaining that he couldn't see at night for obvious reasons. Look at these lights. They were pretty bad. So he needed a little better vision at night. So he called us. And of course, you know, we did what we do. And look how great they came out. Look at that. We're in South Florida. We service Broward, Miami-Dade, and Palm Beach counties. We're fully mobile. We come to your home or office. And if you would like, you could text us the pictures of your lights for an estimate. And we'll get back to you. 754-302-0769. 754-302-0769. Give us a call or a text. Thank you.